Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make low voice effect on KineMaster. Alright guys, here I have created a project on my KineMaster and I have added my recorded audio to this project. So this is my audio, and if you want to make a low voice effect, we just need to click on the audio like this. But before it, I'm going to show you the original audio. So I'm going to play the video to show you the original audio. Okay, this is the original audio, and then let's just make a low voice. Just tap on the audio and then you can click on voice changer right here, and then you can scroll down until you find the man voice changer. You can tap on man. Okay, and now let's just listen to the result. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can make low voice on KineMaster. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.